This is my 1947 Harley-Davidson Servi-car. It has been customized with electric start from a later model Servi-car, which is pretty cool, makes it nice. It's got newer paint. It's not perfect. I'll point out a few, little blemishes and such, but, and this is Robin. There's a story there. I'll tell the story to whoever buys it. And by the way, this Robin is, it's cool because it's a person's name, but it's also a bird, which is, so you could just leave it there. But I did look into a little bit, potentially putting a Harley-Davidson logo over it, which would work. Happy to share that, kind of my concepts. I was thinking of black with gold leaf, Let's see, a parking brake. This lever up there, that's what I'm talking about, parking brake. There's the electric starter. The box has lots of space in it. It's pretty neat. Storage for what have you. I've seen some people put big, huge 12-volt car batteries in there. A couple of reasons why. One is it might be cheaper than, or easier to find than, a proper Harley-Davidson battery. This is of course been converted to 12-volt, even though it's a 1947 engine. Has a Linkert carburetor. There's the starter solenoid. What's interesting is it has a Linkert M88 carburetor. What's interesting, I'll tell you a trick question. You can ask Harley guys, what's the last year Harley made a rigid frame? They'll answer 1957 with the 57 panhead, but the fact is they made Servi-cars with a rigid frame until 1973. Fun fact. This is not the original speedometer, and as it rides, the ratio of the speedometer is not proper for the drive gear, so it measures probably about twice as fast as you're actually going. But hey, it's a custom. It needs some dialed in. The carburetor, I put a new rubber ducky in it, did a little bit of work, but it could use a little more dialing in because it's hard to get it to go over probably 30 miles an hour right now, but it's awesome. There you go.